The Logitech G920 driving force racing wheel is a premium racing simulation controller designed to deliver a realistic driving experience for Xbox and PC gamers. Built with high-quality materials and advanced force feedback technology, it transforms racing games into immersive, lifelike experiences. Real force feedback system. The G920 features dual motor force feedback that lets you feel every turn, tire slip, and road texture in real time. This realistic response system simulates the physics of driving, helping you react more accurately during races. 900-degree rotation for realistic steering. With a full 900-degree lock-to-lock rotation, the wheel allows you to turn just like a real car, about 2.5 turns from side to side. This adds precision and realism, especially in simulation racing games. Stainless steel paddle shifters. The wheel includes durable stainless steel paddle shifters that provide quick and responsive gear changes. Positioned behind the wheel, they allow seamless shifting without taking your hands off the steering. Premium leather steering wheel cover. Wrapped in high-quality hand-stitched leather, the wheel offers a comfortable and realistic grip. This enhances both durability and the authentic feel of driving a real sports car. Responsive floor pedal unit. The included pedal set features accelerator, brake, and clutch pedals designed for realistic control. The non-linear brake pedal mimics real car braking pressure, giving you better control during intense racing moments. Helical gearing for smooth and quiet steering. The internal helical gearing system ensures smooth and quiet operation while minimizing unwanted vibration. This results in more precise steering and a refined driving feel. Wide compatibility, Xbox and PC. Officially designed for Xbox Series X OS, Xbox One, and PC, the G920 offers seamless plug-and-play connectivity. It works with most popular racing games, making it a reliable choice for sim racing enthusiasts. Overall, the Logitech G920 driving force racing wheel is an excellent choice for gamers looking to upgrade from standard controllers to a more immersive and realistic racing setup, offering precision, durability, and true-to-life driving feedback.